Hi friends, welcome to Lovely Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exam. So let's start. Our first word is accord, which means agreement. Next, premature, which means happening too early. Next, endorse, which means support or approve. Next, hail, which means praise highly. Next, prosperity, which means success and wealth. Next, counterpart, which means person in the same role in another place. Next, mediation, which means solving a dispute through a neutral person. Next, grandiosity, which means unrealistic greatness or show off. Next, rage, which means extreme anger. Next, rebel, which means someone who resists authority. Next, troop, which means soldier or military group. Next, hinge, which means depend on. Next, massacred, which means killed violently in large numbers. Next, ethnic, which means related to cultural origins. Next, genocidal, which means related to mass killing of a group. Next, seize, which means take suddenly or by force. Next, rebellion, which means revolt against authority. Next, facilitate, which means make easier. Next, disarm, which means remove weapons. Next, complexity, which means difficulty or many parts. Thank you for learning.